What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have one of our vicrez M Performance front lips, and this is in gloss black. And the BZ for this is vz105688 if you want to check it out on the vicrez website. Now, this is for the BMW G20, fitting 2019 to 2022 models. Now let's go ahead and open it up and show you what it comes with. Now it does come with hardware as well as 3M tape. Now here's our front lid. And for install, there is holes pre-drilled on the bottom. So all you have to do is line it up to your front bumper, and then you can just bolt it in place or rivet it, however you would like to install it. And then we also do include brackets for the side pieces. So you're gonna go take your bracket here, and then on the inside, there's holes. And these are gonna be your holes for installing your bottom piece. You're gonna take your bracket and insert it on the top, and it should just sit there. And then you're gonna take your bag of hardware that comes with the kit, and there's two different types of screws in here. Well, some bolts and some screws. The bolts are gonna be used for assembly, and then the screws are gonna be used for install. So you'll have black screws for install, and then the silver bolts and nuts are used for assembly. And all you need for install as well as assembly is just a simple Phillips head screwdriver, or if you have a drill gun for install, I would probably use that instead so you can save your hands. So now, once we have this in place, we can take our piece that goes underneath. Let me turn this around. And this will also sit like so. I'm gonna go ahead and put these two pieces together and show you guys what it will look like. Now that we have them fully installed, you guys can see the assembled look of the front lip. And then if I turn it around here, you can see the bolts on the inside. Now we just went ahead and used a couple on each end, but you guys can get the look of how to assemble it. You simply just put the bracket on the inside and then put your separate piece on the bottom and make sure the holes are lined up so the bolts can go through, and then just bolt them in place. And then for install, you'll just go ahead and take these black screws after you've mocked this up to your front bumper and mark the holes, then just line it up again and then drill it, just screw your front lip in place. Now that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this or more front lips like this, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and hitting that like button. And if you're already subscribed and want to see more videos like this and more upcoming videos like this, consider hitting that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one.